Bill, thanks so much. Well, 2 years after a toddler dies from a fentanyl overdose, his aunt is on the stand.
Jacqueline Escarino is accused of giving the boy the lethal dose of a painkiller. Brittany Nicholson sat in during the trial today. She joins us now to tell us what happened there today. Brittany.
Josh, Kim, Escarino's pain management doctor took the stand today. He prescribed her the patches she's accused of putting on her great-nephew before he was found dead. Dr. John Everett Blake prescribed Jacqueline Escarino pain medicine for years.
We started a low-dose fentanyl patch.
Dr. Blake explained to the jury Escarino had chronic pain from a work-related injury. She started taking fentanyl patches back in 2013. Escarino is accused of putting one of those patches on her great-nephew's back. He was found unconscious in his playpen. Investigators charged her with 23-month-old DeMarcus Bryant's death just weeks later. Blake says she called his office 4 days after Bryant died.
When she found the child dead, she noticed that her fentanyl patch was not on her arm, and apparently she expressed concern that that the child may have somehow gotten the patch off of her, and that may have been what caused her death.
The state prosecutor asked Blake if it's typical for a patch to stick to someone else.
If a patch comes off, do they stick as well after they've come off?
Not usually. They sometimes can be reapplied, but most of the time they're going to have assistance.
Escarino's attorney asked if there's ever a situation where it could come loose.
Factors be if it got wet or, like you said, humid, things like that could affect the patch staying on the arm.
Yes, sir.
Next, former TBI agent Chad Johnson was called to the stand. He tested the patch.
Those 10 of the 15 were consistent with DeMarcus Bryant?
Yes, ma'am.
In fact, they were a match, weren't they?
Yes, they were.
The defense asked Johnson if it's possible Escarino may have worn the patch before, but left no trace after it ended up on the toddler.
She could have had that patch on for days, and you could have tested it, and maybe you find DNA, and maybe you don't.
Correct, yes.
Judge Poole says court will resume tomorrow morning. The state said tonight they have 4 more witnesses to call in this case. Kim.
Brittany, thank you. Right now, Escarino is out on bond. She was bailed out shortly after she was arrested for criminally negligent homicide in 2014.